Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping out in the middle of nowhere near Prescott, Arizona. Today we tried out a new breakfast item. We tried out these Kodiak power cakes. Now, have you ever seen these in the store and you wanted to try them, but they're $7 or $8 and you just didn't want to spend the money because you don't know if they're going to taste good? Well, we did it for you today. So see how we turned this waffle mix into these delicious waffles. Here is our Kodiak Power Flapjack and Waffle Mix. This is the chocolate chip flavor. Now, I did buy this online, and online all it said was you needed to add water. Well, on the back of the box it says for waffles you need oil. Well, we're gonna hope that it works without the oil because it didn't say that when I bought it. But it does also have different ways you can mix it up. So right here it says we can replace the water with milk and add an egg. So I'm gonna mix up one batch with just water and then one batch of the protein packed one with milk and an egg and see how they turn out. Let's start mixing up some batter. Now on the back of the box, it basically says you can use however much liquid to mix you'd like to make it thicker or thinner. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of mix and half a cup of liquid and see what it looks like. This looks really good. Now in this one, we're going to do the milk and the egg. I've got chocolate almond milk. Now because of the egg, this one is quite a bit runnier. Let's make some waffles. Now we started with the batter with just the water. I did 1/4 cup size waffle and our waffle looks absolutely delicious. Let's make another one. That batter tastes really good. Now in the normal mixture that has just been mixed up with water is 14 grams of protein, which that's a lot of protein. So 1 powdered cup of this is 14 grams of protein. The one that I added the egg and the milk to, it says 20 grams of protein, but I'm not sure how much protein is in the chocolate almond milk, so that might be a little bit off. But so far these look absolutely delicious. They really puff up in the waffle maker, like really puff up. Now the mix that I added the egg and the milk to I'm about to cook, but it has gotten a lot fluffier just sitting there. So I'm probably going to end up with more than 4 waffles out of this one. While I cook these ones, let's give Mr. Cameraman one of the originals and see what he thinks.
Where's the syrup?
We're eating healthy today, baby.
Will have syrup?
No, I don't think protein waffles are meant to be enjoyed with syrup. They are Mr. Cameraman approved. Now the chocolate batter that I added the milk and the egg to does appear to have to take a little bit longer to cook. So that's one thing to note. But these look absolutely amazing and Mr. Cameraman loves them. Now this is an 18-ounce box. I used 2 cups of batter to make these waffles. Let's see how many it says that I could get out of the whole container. 10 servings. So 3 4-inch flapjacks, and this is a 4-inch waffle maker. So that means that 1 cup of the batter should make 8 of these waffles, which it might have if I would have added more liquid. So I'm fine with that ratio. Now the waffles that we added the egg to and the milk, they came out a lot fluffier and less crispy on the edges than the normal waffles. And since we added this extra ingredients, we are getting 5 4-inch waffles. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. These waffles are absolutely to die for. Definitely recommend checking out the Kodiak Power Cakes mix. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Ready to eat?